एवरीवन, आई वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल एम विद अस। हम लोग कर रहे थे आरआरबी एनटीपीसी सीबीटी 1 एग्जामिनेशन में आए हुए जीएस और जीके के सभी क्वेश्चंस। तो इस सीरीज़ का ये हमारा जैकपॉट नंबर 2 होगा। इससे पहले मैंने जैकपॉट 1 करवा रखा है। जिस किसी ने भी नहीं देखा है तो चैनल पर जाके सबसे पहले वो देख ले। और अगर आप में से कोई चैनल पर पहली बार आया हुआ है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर ले और हमारे टेलीग्राम के ग्रुप से जुड़ें, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में गिवन है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपने सेशन को और देखते हैं अपना पहला क्वेश्चन कौन सा है। जो हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, इंडियाज फर्स्ट एटॉमिक पावर स्टेशन वॉज कमीशन इन द ईयर। द ऑप्शंस आर 1969, 1967, 1966 and 1968. So the correct answer will be option number A, 1969. India's first atomic power station was commissioned in the year 1969. Option number A. Which of the following states has a legislative council? Options are Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. The right answer will be Andhra Pradesh, option number B. Andhra Pradesh has a legislative council. The next question is, which of the following projects is in Uttarakhand? The options are Shravati Hydroelectric Project, Chamera Hydroelectric Project, Koyna Hydroelectric Project, and the fourth one is Tehri Hydropower Complex. So the project which is in Uttarakhand is Tehri Hydropower Complex. Option number D is the correct answer. The next question is, which of the following is not a part of the circulatory system? The options are blood, heart, arteries and large intestine. So this is one of the easiest question. I think everyone knows the answer of it. The right answer will be large intestine. Option number D is the correct answer. It is not the part of the circulatory system. Our next question is, on which date did Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? The options are 13th April 1920 and the option B is 30th April 1920. Option C is 13th April 1919. Option D is 30th April 1919. So the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in the year 1919. Everyone knows, but the right date will be 13th April 1919. So the right answer will be option number C. Option number C will be the right answer. Our next question is, which of the following is not a part of is not a part of the auxiliary memories in a computer system? The options are PROM, CD-ROM, floppy and the magnetic tapes. PROM is not a part of the auxiliary memories of a computer system. The option correct will be option number A, PROM. Yen is the currency of Maldives, Japan, Bali, South Korea. So yen is the currency of Japan. Option number B is the correct answer. Our next question is, who gave the idea of a Constituent Assembly of India for the first time? The options are Dr. Rajendra Prasad, B.N. Rao, B.R. Ambedkar and M.N. Rao. So the person who gave the idea of the Constituent Assembly for the first time is Mr. M.N. Rao. Roy. Option number D is the correct answer. Our next question is, which color is associated with the revolution in fertilizers? So the color which is associated with revolution in fertilizers is grey color. Option number B is the correct answer. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place during the term of Viceroy Lord Dalhousie, Lord Irwin, Lord Chelmsford, Lord Ripon. So the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in the year 1919 and the date was 13th April and during the Viceroy of Lord Chelmsford. Option number C is the correct answer. The region of planet Earth where life exists is known as, the options are atmosphere, biosphere, hemisphere or cryosphere. So the region of Earth where life exists is known as biosphere. Option number B is the correct answer. The Sahit Academy is headquartered at. So the headquarter of Sahit Academy is in New Delhi. Option number D is the correct answer. Who fought the Battle of Plassey against the East India Company? The options are Tipu Sultan, Ali Vardi Khan, Sirajuddaulah and Mir Jafar. So the person who fought the Battle of Plassey against the English was the Sirajuddaulah. Option number C is the correct answer. Bhabha Atomic Research Center BARC is located in. The BARC is located at. Now you tell me the answer if anyone knows. The Bhabha Atomic Research Center is located in Mumbai. Option number C is the correct answer. Our next question is, what does NIU stand for in information technology? So we have to tell the full form of NIU. So the right answer will be Network Interface Unit. Option number B is the correct answer. Network Interface Unit. Our next question is, the first Indian communication satellite is. The options are MOM, Aryabhat, Apple and Rohini. So the first Indian communication satellite was Apple. Option number C is the correct answer. Where is the headquarters of UNSC located? So the headquarters of UNSC are in New York. Option number D is the correct answer. What is net national product, NNP? So the correct relationship between the NNP, GNP and depreciation is NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. So the right answer will be option number D. NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. This will be the right answer. Our next question is, the first attempt to calculate national income in India was made by. The options are PC Mahalabonis, Dadabhai Naoroji, SD Tendulkar and VKRV Rao. So the right answer will be Dadabhai Naoroji was the first person who attempted to calculate the national income of India in India. Which of the following was given the Filmfare Award for Best Film in 2020? So the award was given to the film Gully Boy. Option number A is the right answer. The process of taking out stored results out of physical memory of computer is known as. The options are processing, input process, output process and the programming. So the right answer will be output process. Option number C. According to which law, at constant temperature, the volume of a gas is inversely proportional to pressure? The options are Graham's law, Boyle's law, Charlie's law and the Gay-Lussac's law. So according to Boyle's law, at constant temperature, the volume of a gas is inversely proportional to pressure. So the right answer will be option number B, Boyle's law. Our next question is, lichen is an organism which monitors soil pollution, water pollution, gas pollution or air pollution. So lichen is an organism which monitors the air pollution. So the right answer will be option number D. 49th parallel is a boundary between which two countries? USA and Canada, India and Pakistan, France and Germany, North Korea and South Korea. So 49th is a boundary between the USA and the Canada. The right answer will be option number A. Our next question is, HTTP stands for. So the full form of HTTP is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The right answer will be option number C. What is the name of the skill development program of the Government of India? The options are Mahatma Gandhi Kaushal Yojana, Atal Kaushal Vikas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, National Skill Development Corporation. So the right answer will be option number C, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Our next question is, name India's first superfast train. So the India's first superfast train was Deccan Queen. Option number D is the correct answer. Which of the following is the highest peak in India? The options are Annamudi, Kemet, Kanchenjunga and the Mount Everest. So the right answer will be Kanchenjunga. Option number C is the correct answer. Which of the following is a tiger reserve? The options are Kedarnath Wildlife Sanctuary, Jim Corbett National Park, Great Himalayan National Park and the Gir Wildlife Sanctuary. So the right answer will be Jim Corbett National Park, and this was also the first national park of India. Our next question is, which is India's first supercomputer? So the India's first supercomputer was Param 8000. Option number C is the correct answer. People with which of the following blood groups are considered as universal recipient? The options are O positive, AB positive, B positive and A positive. The right answer will be AB positive. Option number B is the correct answer, is the universal recipient. Our next question is, Robert Hooke discovered which of the following? cell, nucleus, atom and protoplasm. So Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Option number A is the correct answer. Who is the inspiration behind Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana? The options are Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Lal Bahadur Shastri and the Mahatma Gandhi. So the person or the inspiration behind the Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana was Mr. Mahatma Gandhi. Option number D is the correct answer. Our next question is, when was the Sachi Stup declared a World Heritage Site by the UNESCO? The options are 1989, 1990, 1988, 1987. So in the year 1989, Sachi Stup was declared a World Heritage by the UNESCO. The right answer will be option number A, 1989. Who painted In Memoriam, a painting dedicated to the British ladies in India during the mutiny of 1857? The options are Joseph Noel Patton, Thomas Jones Barker, Felice Beato and the John Steniel. So the right answer will be Joseph Noel Patton. Option number A is the correct answer. Who formed the Indian National Congress? The options are A. Hume, Dadabhai Naoroji, W. Subanerjee and the Firoz Shah Mehta. The right answer will be A. Hume is known as the founder of the Indian National Congress INC. Option number A is the correct answer. Which session of the Congress gave a call to the attempt of the Siraj? The options are 1906, 1909, 1902 and the 1904. So the right answer will be option number A, 1906. What is the name of the social movement launched by the Union Minister for Environment, Forest and the Climate Change? The options are Green Good Deeds, Great Clean Deeds, Green and Clean Deeds, Great Green Deeds. So the right answer will be Green Good Deeds. Option number A is the correct answer. Which of the following is an example of footloose industry? The options are sugar, computer chip, tea and the jute. So the right answer will be the computer chip. Option number B is an example of footloose industry. Excessive curvature of eye lens leads to. The options are cataract, hypermetropia, color blindness and the myopia. So due to the excessive curvature of the eye lens, it leads to myopia. The right answer will be option number D. Which is not a web browser from the following? Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Google and the Opera. So the right answer will be the Google. Google is not a web browser, it is a search engine. Chrome is a web browser. Our next question is, one of the most important teachers of Chishti Silsila, Sheikh Moinuddin Chishti Dargah is located at. The options are Ajmer, Delhi, Kashmir and the Fatehpur Sikri. The right answer will be Ajmer. Option number A. Our next question is, what kind of a tax is GST? Indirect tax, value added tax, direct tax or income tax? So the GST is an indirect tax. Option number A is the correct answer. Which launch vehicle was used to launch Chandrayaan 2? Your four options are as given: PSLV C-46, GSLV Mk2, ASLV, GSLV Mk3, M1. So the right answer will be option number D. GSLV Mk3 M1 was the launch vehicle of Chandrayaan 2. Our next question is, which country has the most successful cooperative farming? The options are Norway, Denmark, Finland and the Sweden. So the country which has the most successive cooperative farming is Denmark. Option number B is the correct answer. The exile of the ruler of which kingdom was termed as the life has gone out of the body? The options are Bengal, Maratha lands, Awadh and the Punjab. So I think I have forget to edit this question. The right answer is shown. The right answer is Awadh. Option number C is the correct answer. Chemical formula for lime water is. The options are CaOH का whole twice, CaCO3, CaOH, CaCl2. So the chemical formula for lime water is CaOH whole twice. Option number A is the correct answer. Ruhr region is the most important industrial region of which country? Hungary, Denmark, Germany or France? So the right answer will be the Germany. Option number C is the correct answer. To create scientific temperament, innovation amongst the Indian students, central government started an ATL lab. What is the full form of ATL? Atal Tinkering Lab, Applied Techno Lab, Atal Technology Lab, Alternate Technic Lab. So the right full form of ATL is Atal Tinkering Lab. Option number A is the correct answer. Which of the following Viceroy of India did take the initiative to create elected local government bodies? The options are Lord Ripon, Lord Irwin, Lord Wavell, and the Lord Reading. The right answer is Lord Ripon. Lord Ripon is also known as the father of local government bodies in India. Our next question is, which famous author used the pen name Madhvi Kutti? The options are Toru Dutt, Balamani Amma, Kamala Das, and the Nayantara Sehgal. So the author who took the pen name as Madhvi Kuttu is Kamala Das. Option number C is the correct answer. In the Indian Constitution, from which country were the concepts of liberty, equality, and fraternity adopted? The options are Japan, USSR, France, and the Britain. So we had adopted the concept of liberty, equality, and fraternity from France. Option number C is the correct answer. Bile juice is secreted by the options are pancreas, gallbladder, liver, and the stomach. So the bile juice is secreted from the liver. Option number C is the correct answer, and it is stored in gallbladder. Our next question is, what is the name of the book written by Ernest Mackay about archaeological excavations? The options are Deeper Excavations at Mohenjo-daro, Early Indus Civilization, Archaeology of Mohenjo-daro, and the Further Excavations at Mohenjo-daro. So the right answer is option number D, Further Excavations at Mohenjo-daro. On which date is the Constitution Day of India celebrated? The options are 26th November, 14th April, 15th August, and the 26th January. The right answer is 26th November. Option number A. Our next question is, which African country launched the first malaria vaccine to immunize children on the occasion of World Malaria Day? The options are Malawi, Nairobi, Kenya, and Ghana. So the African country is Malawi, which launched the first malaria vaccine to immunize children. The right answer will be option number A. Our next question is, so friends, this was the last question of this session. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet in the next session. Have a good day.